Hooray! I am Rowena and welcome back on our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show you one of Hooray's healthy recipe. So, stay tuned.
Hooray! I'm Melanie.
I'm Rowena.
And we are the Childcare Gurus.
First step is to crush the tofu. Before doing it, I put this on the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes to remove the excess liquid, but that process is optional. On the heated pan, put a little bit of olive oil. You can use any oil, whatever your preference is, and then saute the vegetables. You may choose to modify or add any vegetables of your liking. This is not really critical. Simmer for a few more minutes until the vegetables are fully cooked. Add the seasoning of your liking. For this one, I added garlic salt, pepper, and paprika. Now add the crushed tofu. Simmer until it's cooked. You can add more seasoning to taste depending on your preference. And that's it. This is actually the first recipe that I learned going vegan, and I really love it. This is a great substitute for egg. Try it.
Thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. If you want to know more awesome recipe, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for notification. See you on our next video. Hooray!